Want to know how to send money through various means in Remitly? So if you want to change your mean of sending money, maybe cash, maybe bank, or maybe other online stuff, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Remitly website. Just simply head toward remitly.com and make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. Once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface here, you should be seeing send money under exchange rate. So you can just simply select it first. And now just simply select how much amount of money that you want to send. So you can either continue sending or start over if you had previous ones. You can just simply select the amount of money you want to send and then select continue. Now here you can see delivery method. So this is what I was talking about. So here you can see through delivery method, you can either go for mobile money, cash pickup, or bank deposit. The most feasible would be bank deposit or mobile money. So you can just simply select in one of these two. And now you can just simply select any bank that you would like to send from. So you can just simply select any one of these. And now you can just simply select your account number, select continue, and transfer accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.